All right, so I'll get started with saying that I'm Tori. I am part of the trading template, if you've heard of that. My uncle, myself, and my sister put together a course. We asked my uncle how to teach me and her to trade stocks, and he said it would be a good idea if we could record him teaching us so that we could teach other people how to trade stocks. We recorded all the sessions with him teaching me and her how to trade, but we came out with the trading template. And my uncle just got done doing his trading series. So what he does is he will get on his phone and he'll do a screen recording of him making trades. So he'll log into TradeStation and record his screen while he makes some trades. I edit the videos that he makes, and then we put it on YouTube to show people what trading can do for you, or what it's really like to trade and how much you can make doing it. So I finally decided that maybe I should do a trading series too. It is March 27th. I've already made 2 trades so far. So what I'm going to do is my account has started at 10,000. So I want to show you guys from 10,000 and see how far I can build it. So I'll go ahead and show you my 2 trades that I made yesterday and the day before. And then moving forward, I'll try to show you guys live trades. I'll record them live as I'm trading. Oh, okay, so I made more than 2 trades. I made probably about 5 or 6 trades, so I'll try to show you guys that. So TradeStation, I use TradeStation. That's what I use on my phone. I use TradeStation on my phone. I use TradeStation, the web application, so that I can just log in on any computer. But the best way to do it is going to be the actual platform. It's only for Windows, unfortunately, and I have a Mac, so I had to get this Dell to be able to use it. So the platform is hands down the best way to trade. It's okay. So I will show you my trades from March 18th to today. March 18th is when I was a fresh start, 10,000 even. So now I'm going to show you from March 18th to today how long that'll take to build up, how high I can get my account, and all of my trades. So we're going to start with. So I zoomed in pretty far so you're able to see it better. This was my very first trade at a $10,000 mark. So I went long 2 shares of gold, and I was on a 5-minute time frame. It went in my favor, in my favor, in my favor, break even, break even, break even, a little bit in my favor, then dropped pretty hard. So since I had 2 contracts, I lost $300 from this price to this price. I lost $300. The template that my uncle taught me told me to reverse my position. So I went from my long to going short. So I sold the 2 contracts, the 2 that I bought, and then went short an additional 2. And then you can see it went against me the very first bar, against me the second bar, and then the next few bars it went in my favor. Well, the template told me to reverse my position again, and what I did was bought back the 2 contracts that I sold and then bought an additional 2 contracts. It went in my favor, and then I closed my position and had to go out for the day, and luckily I did close it because it ended up going flat for the rest of that period. So for those 3 round trip transactions. So closed position there, lost 300. And then let's see. When I flipped my position, I made 180 here, and then I made 282 here. So that left me in the positive for $162. So for the end of that day, I was positive $162. Then the next day, I didn't trade again until the 19th. And the 19th, I had a break-even trade. If anything, I think I made maybe $7. And that was in gold also. There we go. This was the 19th at 12.55. I went long, and the price did not go anywhere at all. The template told me to close my position. The price wasn't going anywhere. So I gave it a shot. Didn't go anywhere. Closed my position. Didn't lose or make anything. So that is a break-even day. Then my next trade, March 24th. And this is E-mini Dow. All right. And another break-even trade. I bought one contract. It went in my favor, only about $100, maybe a little more, and then came right back in my face. So the template told me to close my position. So I closed my position. It ended up being a very flat day, so I am thankful that I did not sit around and wait for that price to go absolutely nowhere. I had another break-even trade. I could show you guys that, but I'm not. So I'm just going to go straight to the past 2 days. So now we're looking at the 25th. Today is the 27th. I guess I didn't trade yesterday. So the last 2 trades that I made. So we will go to E-mini Dow. And these are futures. So you can open a futures account with, I believe, as little as $500 to start an account. And I am buying contracts and not shares, so you can purchase these for a smaller amount than if you were trading stocks. So stocks, I believe you have to have $25,000. If you're trading something like Amazon and you want to buy one share, it's at least $1,000. If you want to buy multiple shares, it's going to be double that or triple that. And then you can trade Forex. I believe you don't need a large account for that either. I could be wrong, but I think it's $500 to $5,000, something like that, to open an account for Forex. And then you've got futures, which is also, you can have a smaller amount to start these accounts. And I have practiced trading all of them. I do prefer Forex and futures because I am in California, and if I wanted to trade stocks, I would have to be up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I'd already need to be up and analyzing the chart. I need to be in and out of my trade pretty early in the morning, but then it wasn't so bad because I'd be done trading by, I believe, like 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and then I'd have the rest of the day. But with futures, it trades 24 hours out of the day, Monday through Friday. So it's closed on the weekends, but I'm able to trade any time of the day. There are times where it seems like they don't move very much. It's very flat for most of the afternoon. In the mornings around 7 to 8, maybe even 9 or 10 o'clock my time is when there seems to be a lot of movement, and that seems better for me. It's not so early. Okay, here we go. This was on the 25th. I bought one contract at 7:15 a.m. and it went in my favor. I closed this position. The template that I was taught did not tell me to close my position, but I did have to go to the gym, and I was trying to just do a quick trade before I went to go work out. So I closed this one. But my template did not tell me to close it at this time. It would have been nice if I didn't need to go to the gym and stayed in a little longer because I could have made double what I made. But, I mean, I wouldn't have been able to watch this trade while I was working out, so I closed my position. And I made a profit of $330 right here. Bought one contract, and I was in this trade for got in at 7:15 and got out around 7:35. So a quick trade, $330, and then I went to the gym and I was done for the day. The next trade that I made was this morning. I didn't trade yesterday. So this morning I traded, it looks like I did make another trade. This is probably pretty close to break even. Let me see. I think I lost $15 on this one. I lost about $15 here. It didn't go anywhere. I believe this was also pretty late at night, so I was ready for bed. My uncle's template did not tell me to close this position, and wow, this would have been an insane day if I did not close my position and go to a coffee shop. I do need to work on some. My uncle is a lot more comfortable letting his trades go without watching them. I don't think I'm there yet, although maybe I could start working on it. Maybe I could practice that this coming month or these next few trades, but he's very comfortable with making a trade and kind of letting it go and taking a phone call or running some errands. I need to watch my trade the whole time. I feel like I do at least. But I'll start practicing letting it go. And this would have been a phenomenal trade. Still, it was a good trade. I was in it for only a few minutes. Let's see. Okay, so yes, I went short here. The template told me to go short, and that was about at 7:30 a.m., and just a few minutes later I got out and closed it for a profit of $275. So these next few days, or maybe these next few weeks that I do this trading series, I will try to commit more time to trading and let these trades work out, just to show you what crazy amounts of money you could make. And I just want to show you that this template works, that my uncle taught me. And I know a lot of the students are asking how I'm doing, so I've tried to create some social media accounts that are dedicated to trading. So I've got an Instagram, I've got a YouTube, a Facebook, that I'm going to show my trades on there, just like my uncle does on the trading template website. I'm going to do on these social media accounts, just to show you that this works. And these are live trades. This is real money. So I have got my account to positive 544. So these few trades that I did, we are in the positive. We're at 544. It's March 27th, so I will keep you guys updated. All these next few videos will be a lot shorter because it'll be during that one trade. I won't have to go back to each trade and show you guys what I did in the past. So it'll be live trades. And yeah, so we'll see how this goes. Thanks.